Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, Python 3, 10 or newer, and pip. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Then install a simple HTTP client like Requests or HTTPX. This gives you a familiar API for GET and POST. Make sure to keep your API key secret. Store it in an environment variable, not in code. Finally, open a minimal script file where you will import requests and prepare a base URL and headers for authentication. You'll now implement authentication and the core request flow. First, read your API key from an environment variable and build headers with authorization, bearer plus content type application/JSON. Once that is in place, construct a requests, GET or requests, POST call, pass params or JSON, and always use a timeout to avoid hanging calls. Then check response, status code, and parse response. JSON, when 200 or 201. If you expect pagination, loop through pages with next links or page params, and you finish by validating and securing the integration. Confirm responses match the schema you expect, then persist or process results. Once done, add retries for transient 5xx errors using exponential backoff and ensure timeouts are set. Make sure keys live in environment variables or a secret manager, not in source control. If something breaks, check headers, endpoint URL, and status codes first. Often a wrong content type or expired API key is the cause. Finally, add simple tests to catch regressions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.